Alright, I want to show you how to restore this bit old dining table from Ikea. Alright, see here. Yeah, it's not too bad, but when I swipe it, when I try to clean it, it's not really smooth. So I want to sand it and oil it again. Let's go. It's gonna be not fit if you mess the screw up. Let's go downstairs. Makita orbital disc sander, 125 mil. I want to start from 120 grit. I did run only twice all the surfaces, but still very smooth. Yeah, but I wanna make sure it's really smooth. Let's go one more time. And then 180 grit. And here's the tip. When you sand the timber, some oil or grease or whatever sticky thing can stuck here. Yeah, you think it's hard to remove, you can just scratch with your nail or I fold it a little bit. I roll side by side like this, like this. And you don't need to change the sandpaper. You can use it all day. It's good to clean it up first and then check the surface. Yeah, it does look different. So I use this Digger's methylated spirit. It's like general cleaner and window cleaner. Okay, I cleaned the surface with this cleaner and a piece of cotton again, and the surface is really clean and very smooth. Okay, it's ready to oil. Okay, let me put it back on the top of the dining legs. Yeah, I bought a kitchen timber oil in Bunnings, Feast Watson. Yeah, it's just like $26 or something, right? For apply the oils. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look. Let it dry 24 hours. I will apply the second coat tomorrow. Alright? See you guys. Bye. Good luck.